reminders as we warm up. Please make sure you're wearing good, comfortable walking shoes. And remember to match the pace and moves to meet your body where it is at today. Take a break where you need, get a sip of water. And with that out of the way, let's talk about our marching. We're going to do our marching a little bit different before we start warming up. So for today, right, when we're marching, we're going to march with a 1, 2, 3, 4, out, out, in, in. 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, in. If you miss a move or you repeat it, no worries. Like I just repeated a move. So, I went out, in, out, in, and then I got back to marching. So try and do as much as you can. We are creating a little mind-body connection by switching up our march. Anyways, now let's start doing some warm-up moves. Let's start with some front taps. And maybe let's start stretching our arms. 3, 2, 1. Let's do some side taps now. 3, 2, 1. And some toe taps at the back. Push your arms at the back while you're doing this. 3. Make sure you have enough clearance at the back or you bump into something soft. Let's do a few tap and reach stretches. Stretch yourself out as much as you can. And let's meet back in our march. As you remember, we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, I messed up. So anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, in. For our first move today, let's go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it on the same side 5 more times. 1, 2, 3. 4. 3. 2. Last one on this side. Let's do the same thing on the opposite side now. So 1, 2, 3. When I say on the opposite side, I mean leading with the opposite side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in our march. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, in. 2, 3, 4, out, in. For our next move today, let's do side steps. So you could go 1 and 2, tap. 1 and 2, tap. Feel free to adjust the length of your stride and the speed at which you're doing it to meet your body where it is at today. Feel free to mix up the length of the stride and the intensity. That does make it fun. 4, 3, 2, and this is the last one. 1. Let's meet back in march. 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in. 2, 3, 4, out, in. For our next move, right, let's do front kicks. It could be a gentle kick, or it could be a strong and high kick. If you like, you can add bicep curls with the kicks. And if you want an additional challenge, you can even try and bring up the opposite arm to meet the toe when you're doing the kick. I'll be doing front kicks with bicep curls. You pick up the move that's working for you. 6, 5, 1. Let's meet back in March. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in. 1, 2, 3, 4. For our next move, let's bring in my favorite skaters. And no, it's not the end. I just decided to bring in my favorite move earlier in the video today. So you can either do a side step and take the outer foot at the back, or if you like, add in a hop. And if you like, add in a hop and a tap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in our march. For our next move today, let's do some, oops, I messed up the marches. Sorry about that. For our next move today, let's do some standing crunches. So I'll be doing a cross crunch. You could join me with the cross crunch, or you could do a gentle knee lift and try and bring your knee and elbow as close together as possible. So let's go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in March. Yes, I'm here getting used to the out, in variation I taught in. So for our next move, right? Let's do 2 side shuffles and a tap. So 2 side shuffles and a tap. 2 side shuffles and a tap. It could also be 2 side steps and a gentle tap, or bend down as much as you can. 1, 2, tap. So let's go. Having fun. I hope you are too. 3, 2, and this is the last one. All right, let's be back in March. For the next move, you're gonna go front, side, back, tippy-toe, leading with the same foot. We did all the steps, now with the other foot. Front, side, back, tippy-toe. This time you want to start with the foot you ended. So you go front, side, step, tippy-toe. Other foot. Front, side, back, tippy-toe. We are at the 30-second mark, and I don't want to do a quick cool down and some stretches, but you please feel free to do more of this. I'm just trying to honor the 10-minute time commitment I promised. So with that, let's start doing some stretches. Let's do some shoulder rolls front, shoulder rolls at the back. Let's do some quick stretches. Let's meet in a nice calf stretch. Next up is hamstring stretches. Get a good one in. Use a chair for support if you need it. In this video here, I shared another 10-minute walk without any equipment. And in this video here, I share a 15-minute walk with optional dumbbells. I hope to see you there. Thanks for walking with me today. Keep moving, be active. Bye-bye.